Hello and welcome to DGA Tech. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can be able to use the Not Pixel that has been posted by Notcoin. So this is the second game that Notcoin has created. So I'm going to explain to you how you can be able to play it and earn more PX, which will be converted into token. So for those of you that did Notcoin, you know how Notcoin gave people airdrop, and their airdrop was very interesting, was very good. So we should take this one very seriously because this is their second project. So for those of you that have not joined this yet, I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. Once you click on it, then you can start with this tutorial that I'm going to be creating now. So the first thing to do now is to zoom in. When you zoom in, you look for an empty space. So now this is an empty space. You click on it. When you click on it, you click on paint. You will receive some points. You choose another place. You click on paint. You receive some PX. It will be added to your balance. You click on another space. You click on paint. You see your balance is increasing. You still click on another place. You click on paint. You do same thing, paint till you finish the energy that you have. So you can see right now they said no energy, that is, you don't have any energy for you to paint. So the next thing to do is to click on this box right here where you can see 37 at the top. You click on it. So when you click on it, you can see some task here. You scroll down. So the first task here is invite bonus. So when you invite a friend, you will get 64 PX to be added to your balance. So if you have friends or you have a community, you can copy your referral link and send to them for them to join so you can claim the bonus. Then PX paint. This paint PX, we have done 5 times. We have painted 5 times. So if we paint up to 20 times, we are going to get 64 PX as a reward for painting. Then the next one, invite friends. If you invite 3 friends, you get 64 also, 64 PX. Then if you join a squad, you can click on it to join any squad you like. If you join a squad, you can still get 64 PX. If you have Telegram Premium, you'll be given 512 PX. Then this one is Silver League bonus. When you get to Silver League, this one you can use stars to purchase, and all these are simple tasks. You can join their community to get PX and all that. So let's move to the next one. We have boost here. You click on boost. So this boost, now you can click on it and upgrade your level. You can click on it now. Then you click on buy for 5PX. It's just to increase your limit of paint. When you buy it, you move to the next one. Recharging speed is going to increase the speed by which your PX, the energy you are given, is increasing. Then this energy limit as well is going to increase it from 5PX. That means you're going to paint more than 5 times when you increase it. So this is visually everything you need to know about Not PX that is being posted by Not AI. So if you are new in this channel, you're welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thanks for joining and thanks for coming back. For the new subscribers, thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly click on the red or white subscribe button to subscribe. Then click on the like button and share this content to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed so that they will not miss this airdrop. Also comment whatsoever you find interesting, or if you have a question, you can drop it in the comment section and I'm going to reply it. Or if you require any video that you need me to do, you can drop it in the comments and I'm going to create it and post on this channel. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe and God bless.